Now we will study about volcano. Volcano is a vent or an opening at weak spot in the Earth's crust through which magma erupts onto the surface as lava. Sometimes lava comes out through long, deep cracks or fissures. Volcanic cone. During a volcanic eruption, gases, ash, steam and pieces of rock comes out along with lava. They pile up around the vent, forming a conical hill. For example, Mount Etna in Sicily and Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. The top of the volcanic cone has a cup-like depression called a crater. Magma reaches the crater through a pipe-like passage. Caldera. The original volcano may undergo changes over time. New cone may develop. The original crater may become wider and shallower after a fresh eruption. Such an enlarged crater is called a caldera. Volcanic island. Top of a volcanic cone on the sea floor may rise above the water to form a new island. Such island will disappear if the top of the volcano is blown off by a violent eruption. Tectonic processes. The Earth's lithosphere is broken up into several pieces known as plates. These plates float on the soft layer of the mantle. The flow of partially molten material within the mantle causes the plates of the lithosphere to move relative to each other. That means the two plates will move towards each other or apart from each other or slide over each other. As the plates move, they push, pull, rise, bend and break and create major landforms called tectonic processes. Plate movement causes volcanic activity and earthquakes. Earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the Earth's surface. Earthquake is caused by the movement of plates of the lithosphere. Focus is the point at some depth below the Earth's surface where the vibrations of an earthquake begin. From their vibration spreads in all directions. Epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface that lies directly above the focus. The epicenter suffers the maximum destruction because the vibrations reach this point first. Earthquake cause changes in the existing landforms. Measuring earthquakes. Earthquakes are measured by a seismograph. Magnitude of earthquake depends on the energy released measured by Richter scale. It is measured usually from 0 to 10. Consecutive whole number on this scale represent about 30 times increase in energy released during an earthquake. Generally, earthquake measuring 2 or less are not felt by us. The ones that cause damage usually measure 5 or more. Surviving an earthquake. During earthquake, get away from stoves and fireplaces, glass objects, windows that can fall. Crawl under a table or bed. Do not use the lift. Move away from building, trees, poles, etc. Landforms created plate movements. When two plates move towards each other, the difference between them wrinkle up to form fold mountains. When two plates move away from each other, they cause fractures or rifts. A rift along which adjacent blocks of rock have been displaced is known as fault. The raised block form block mountains. The sunken blocks form rift valleys. When two plates slide past each other, causes earthquakes and landslides.